Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started. Our number one pick is AUTOWN Tyre Repair Kit. This heavy-duty tyre repair kit are made of high-quality materials to withstand repeated use, making this kit durable and reliable for long-term repairs. The strong tyre plugs and other accessories are designed to hold up well in all weather conditions, ensuring that the repairs last until you're able to get to a professional. The kit is packaged in a compact, organized case, which makes it easy to store in your vehicle or garage. It's convenient to carry in an emergency kit, and with its lightweight design, it won't take up much space. The case helps keep all the components neatly organized so you can easily find what you need when you're in a pinch. This 68-piece kit is versatile and works for a variety of tire types, from cars and motorcycles to ATVs and trucks. Whether you're dealing with a small puncture or a larger hole, the kit includes multiple sizes of plugs and repair tools, ensuring that you have the right tool for the job. The inclusion of heavy-duty tools like pliers, a tyre reamer, and insertion needles makes it suitable for a wide range of vehicles and tyre types. This tyre repair kit features high-quality, durable tools that are designed for quick, on-the-spot repairs. The kit includes a variety of rubber plugs, reamers, insertion tools, and sealants, making it easy to repair punctures and ensure a reliable seal. Our second best tyre patch kit is AUTOWN Flat Tyre Repair Kit with Plugs. This flat tyre repair kit performs exceptionally well, especially when dealing with small punctures. The kit includes high-quality rubber tyre plugs, reamers, and insertion tools that work effectively on tubeless and tube tyres. It's designed for quick and easy repairs, and the included insertion tools make plugging the tyre a breeze, even for beginners. The rubber plugs provide a secure seal, and many users have found the repairs to be long-lasting and reliable until they can reach a professional mechanic. This repair kit is incredibly versatile, supporting a wide range of vehicles including cars, motorcycles, ATVs, trucks, jeeps, and even tractors. Whether you're on a road trip, trail riding, or working on your farm, this kit ensures you're prepared for unexpected punctures. The included 31 pieces cover various tyre sizes, and the heavy-duty reamers and insertion needles ensure that the plugs fit securely, regardless of the tyre type. The AUTOWN Flat Tyre Repair Kit is built to last. The tools are made from high-quality steel, and the rubber plugs are thick and durable. The reamer and insertion tools are designed to withstand repeated use without wearing out, making it a reliable choice for long-term use. The case itself is tough, ensuring that the kit stays intact and protected even during rough handling. Third choice in our list is BETOOLL Universal Tyre Repair Kit. One of the biggest strengths of the BETOOLL Universal Tyre Repair Kit is its versatility. It works on a wide variety of vehicles, including cars, trucks, motorcycles, ATVs, RVs, and even trailers and tractors. The 24 pieces include all the essential tools and accessories needed for different types of tyres and punctures. The heavy-duty plug-in tool is especially useful for larger tyres, and the kit's inclusion of both standard and extended plugs ensures that you can tackle a range of puncture sizes. The BETOOLL Universal Tyre Repair Kit comes in a well-organized, durable carrying case. The case holds all the components securely and is compact enough to fit in your vehicle without taking up too much space. It's ideal for storing in your car's trunk, motorcycle panniers, or an RV storage compartment. The kit is lightweight and easy to carry, making it a perfect companion for road trips, camping, or off-roading adventures. The quality of the BETOOLL Universal Tyre Repair Kit stands out. The tools are made from high-quality steel, ensuring durability even with frequent use. The tyre plugs are made from rubber and are designed to hold up under pressure and extreme weather conditions. Number 4 in our side is Wokape 70 PCS Tyre Patch Kit. Whether you're dealing with a flat tyre on a car, motorcycle, truck, or even an ATV, this kit has you covered. The included tools and accessories ensure that you can fix most tyre problems with ease. This kit includes a tyre roller, liner scraper, and rubber repair patches, which are the primary components for making durable and reliable tyre repairs. The patches are designed to adhere well to the tyre, and users have reported that they provide a strong and lasting seal. The tyre roller helps in pressing down the patches firmly, ensuring they are securely in place. The liner scraper is useful for cleaning the surface of the tyre to prepare it for patching, making sure the repair is long-lasting. The valve core removal tool and 4-way valve tool are great additions, allowing you to handle valve-related issues with ease. The valve core wrench is also included, which is especially useful when you need to replace or tighten valve cores. The kit also comes with valve caps and cores, making it a one-stop solution for valve maintenance and tyre repairs. The Wokape 70 PC's Tyre Patch Kit is designed to be highly versatile, making it compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including cars, motorcycles, trucks, ATVs, and bicycles. Last in our top 5 best tyre patch kit list is Rhino USA Tyre Plug Repair Kit. The kit is housed in a compact hard shell case that keeps everything organized and easy to access. This case is durable and portable, so it fits easily in your vehicle or garage without taking up too much space. The organized layout ensures that every piece has its place, so you won't have to dig around to find what you need in a hurry. One standout feature of the Rhino USA kit is the build quality. The T-handle tools are crafted from high-strength steel, making them resistant to bending or breaking, even when tackling thicker tyre walls. The plugs are also designed to hold up under significant wear and tear, ensuring a lasting repair that doesn't degrade quickly. Rhino USA is known for quality, and this kit lives up to the reputation, offering tools you can rely on in tough situations.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.